we have this question. It says a train of 100 meter long is running at the speed of 30 km per hour. The time in second in which it will pass a standing man near the railway station or rail line. Okay, so here you have to understand that it says that we have to find out the time in seconds. So for that one, first we need to find out the speed in meter per second. So speed in meter per second, this will be 30 kmph. To convert this into meter per second, we have to multiply it by 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay, now divide 30 and 18 by 6. We'll have 3 here and we'll have 5. So the speed will be 25 by 3 meter per second. Okay, now it will pass a standing man. So the distance it will cover as the same as the length of the train. So total distance it will cover is equal to 100 meter. So the time will be time is equal to distance by speed or velocity. So distance is equal to 100 meter, speed is equal to 25 by 3 meter, it will be second, which will be 4 into 3 second or 12 seconds. Okay, so it will take 12 seconds to pass the man. Okay, so that is the answer.